Hallo und willkommen. Ich bin Meister Lenz and you're watching Get Germanized, the German word of the day.
I am bored. What should I do?
Ich weiß.
Get Germanized.
In this series we read a German word from this beautiful German dictionary. Link to the Amazon page of a similar dictionary can be found in the video description, by the way. If you want to read along, learn along, that's possible, of course. And, well, then I'll explain the word with example sentences and give you the different forms. And then hopefully you've learned something at the end of it. I'd say we'll just get started right away. And the German word of the day is quitt. 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 According to the dictionary, it means seine Schulden bezahlt, eine kleine Gegenleistung erbracht habend, keinerlei Verpflichtung jemandem gegenüber mehr habend. Quitt sein. Quitt means to have paid your debts that you had with someone and not owing anything to anyone anymore or to that particular person anymore. Quitt or quitt sein. To be quitt. For example, wir sind jetzt quitt. Deine Frau Helga hat endlich den Ofen bezahlt. Wir sind jetzt quitt. Deine Frau Helga hat endlich den Ofen bezahlt. Wir sind jetzt quitt. Deine Frau Helga hat endlich den Ofen bezahlt. We're even now. Your wife Helga finally paid for the oven. Wir sind erst quitt, wenn ich sage, dass wir quitt sind. Wir sind erst quitt, wenn ich sage, dass wir quitt sind. Wir sind erst quitt, wenn ich sage, dass wir quitt sind. We're only even when I say that we're even. Wir sind noch lange nicht quitt. Oh, wir sind noch lange nicht quitt. Wir sind noch lange nicht quitt. Oh, it's gonna be some time before we're even. Deine Schuld ist so groß. Wir werden niemals quitt sein. Deine Schuld ist so groß, wir werden niemals quitt sein. Deine Schuld ist so groß, wir werden niemals quitt sein. Your debt, what you owe me is so large, so huge, we're never gonna be even. Mit dem Harald bin ich quitt. Mit dem Harald bin ich quitt. Mit dem Harald bin ich quitt. With that Harold, I'm even. Quitt, the German word of the day. A typical one. Everyone knows what that means, basically. But you don't use it all that often. I mean, unless you need to be quitt with someone, right? If you enjoyed this German word of the day, leave a like, subscribe, and consider supporting the channel on patreon.com/getgermanized. You can find my social media links in the video description. And everything else you need to know about the channel as well. Check out the main channel for more videos, for more German learning German videos, more German word of the day videos. There's a playlist. You can find it. It's good. It's long. Lots of words. I've restarted this series, so there's an older one as well. Check that out if you want. And apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to get Germanized. Goodbye and auf Wiedersehen.